Has your garage door come off its hinges? This often happens when the door is forcibly opened or when its parts become worn out or broken. Don't risk further damage or compromise your safety by trying to fix it yourself. If you're in the Bulli area, call our expert technicians at 0409-774-111. We specialize in securely rehanging and repairing garage doors to ensure they operate safely and efficiently. Don't wait until it's too late. Get professional help today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a fully functional garage door.